Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Apple Pay contact card issuer. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna just go ahead to your browser and basically if you're getting messages to contact the card issuer, call the bank or credit card company who issued the card to make sure that there is no restrictions on the card. If you're getting them a message that Apple Pay services are unavailable at this time, sign out of Apple ID and back in. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.